You guys, welcome back to another midweek video. So today's video is gonna be on how to choose trades. So I thought before I go with you through the charts, let's just go through the theoretical side first. So the first thing that I'm gonna be talking about is how to choose a pair. So first, let's say for example you have a $50 account. You have a $50 account, right? It's not advisable for you to choose exotic pairs. So you can't choose maybe euro like Ruby or USD Ruby. Like that's gonna take a huge margin on your account. So for example, you decide to take 0.01 volume size on US dollar Russian Ruby, right? That pair is gonna charge you, like, your margin that you're gonna be using is $10, right? You have like $2 let's say of commission that you're gonna be charged. So it doesn't really make sense for you to take that kind of pair when you have like a $50 account, because maybe you wanna take two or four trades, right, for that week. So if you have the same pair running, like you have the same trade running, it's not advisable for you to take that kind of pair. So it's better to take US dollar, uh, CAD. You have other pairs like Euro, USD. Those kind of pairs are the ones that you can take. They're safe. They're volatile, but like a little bit, right? It's not compared to exotic pairs. So you also want to take into consideration the calendar, so the economic events, the news also. So like you want to see how volatile the market is going to be. So you don't want to take a pair that is not going to move on your side. Like let's say you do analysis. For example, I do my analysis over the weekend, right? So when the market opens, I expect maybe on Tuesday to start seeing some movement towards my direction. So I look at the calendar. Okay, this is the pairs that are going to be affected: US dollar, pound, CAD. Then I choose my pair towards that. So that's the theoretical side. So let's go to the chart side. So the chart side, you want to take a look at the trends. You want to take a look at the structures. So all of that. So that's what we're going to be talking about on chat. Onto the charts. I'm just going to show you one of the pairs that we are currently in. So one of the trades that we are currently in. So how we decided on this, we have talked about this over the last week. So if you haven't watched maybe our two Sunday breakdowns for the previous week, I'm just gonna put a link below, then you can actually go and watch it and watch them. I mean, there is really valuable information that you can actually take from those Sunday breakdowns. So this week had a, what do you call it, a head and shoulder. So this is one of the things that triggered our analysis. So we had a perfect head and shoulder with, what you call it, this neckline. So the neckline was aligned, so it was so perfect. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Then we had price movement in uptrend towards that neckline. So we have talked about this on our previous, what do you call it, we had an episode on only on market structures. So we talked about market structures that we trade, the pattern that I incorporated in those market structures. So in this case, what we considered is this head and shoulder. Then we had an ascending channel towards the resistance. So you have, like what I was saying, you have to take in consideration trends, the structures. Like also, I had to look also on the calendar to see, was the spec gonna be volatile, like towards my, what do you call it, towards my analysis. So after we had a test over here, that's how I knew that I'm gonna take this. After we had our first test, we came back to the downside. Then we had to break this neckline and test this resistance of the ascending channel. Then we had to wait for a break below here. After we had a break below, then we had our sell. So our first sell onto here, then we continued. So I'm gonna show you on the other pairs that are on our watch list, and I'll show you also how we consider using trends also, and other market structures. After you have chosen your pair, for example, you chose pound, and over the weekend you have spotted this channel, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna try this. This is the structure that I was actually talking about. So you spotted a trend line. It suits your trading plan. It has a good spread, perfect margin.
seen a trend, uptrend, perfect channel, the structure you're familiar with it, that's how you choose a trade. So like you just have to also look at, okay, what other thing can I look forward for? So can I look if there are other patterns? So for example, this on this I actually saw this so it was actually a head and shoulder, so an inverse head and shoulder. It looks not like a like a perfect head and shoulder because like you have left shoulder here, head, then you have a neckline here, but the left shoulder didn't really extend to this extent, so it wasn't really the perfect head and shoulder that you can take though, but it's still okay. So you have your pattern that you're familiar with, you have a structure that you're familiar with, you have a trend, uptrend going to the upside. What will you stop, like what can stop you to trick this trend? So those are the things that are taken into consideration: patterns, market structures, news, the pair also. In if I am to take also the pair.
So that's it for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, just like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe.